All right, good morning. Welcome back to Saw Shop. We got this 385 tore down. We got the timing wheel put on it. I just got it timed out. So I wanted to come talk to you a little bit about what numbers are on this saw stock, and also what I think where we think we're gonna go on this saw for performance increases. First off, let's talk about exhaust. The exhaust on this saw open at 100 degrees past top dead center and duration of 160. The intake on this saw was opening at 108 past bottom dead center for a duration of 144. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get that intake opening earlier, probably get down to about like 102, 103, and that should bring our duration up a little, in the low to mid 150s. That exhaust, I'm probably not going to do a lot to it. I might do a couple degrees on the top, get it to about 98. That would bring that duration up a little bit more on exhaust. But the reason I'm thinking about that is this saw currently sits at 20 degrees of blowdown, and so I like the blowdown on these bigger CC saws, me personally, to be between like 22 and 25. So I may and I can get pretty close to that 1 to 2 degrees just by doing some cleanup work, just take a little bit of metal out, but mainly square the top corners on the exhaust and stuff, and leave the top of the transfers alone. Now I am gonna make the top transfers bigger, but I'm gonna do all that work on the bottom side of the top transfer, kind of open it up, maybe widen it a little bit, do a little work there. I don't want to raise them any. On the intake side, like I said, we're going to take probably 5 to 6 degrees out of the intake, or add that to it, which will actually bring the number down to 102, 103. This saw, it's in its stock form right now. It's never been into, and the squish is somewhere over 40. The solder I use is 40 thousandths, and it won't touch it. So we're definitely going to be doing a base gasket lead on this saw, and we might do something else depending on how good that gets us. I want to get somewhere 20 to 25 if possible, somewhere in that range, to tighten the compression up and make it feel like a little bit stronger chainsaw. But anyway, that's kind of what we're going to do. Once I get it all poured and bring back together, I'll bring you back in for a test fire. All right, have a good one.